To show you how to connect the whole system, first of all, the most important thing, you have to have power incoming. So this is the power cable with 2 pins, which you need to insert into the corresponding socket with also the 2 pins. You can only insert it in the correct way. The other way it just would not match. Once the power is connected, you just push the power button from 0 to 1. Now the system works. In order to connect the RFID reader, you do need to plug the RFID cable to the reader. Yet again, you can only do it in one way because other way it just doesn't fit. And the same cable also to the main controller. What you will now see is that the lights on the RFID reader lit on. When everything is connected properly, including the internet, then you will only see a green blinking light. Different kind of error codes are displayed in the middle, and you can check from your instruction manual what these different lights mean. In a normal state, no light is blinking. In order to connect the camera, you just take the camera CAT socket, plug in the CAT cable, and the other end of the CAT cable to the CAM1 socket. Not to the Ethernet, but CAM1, CAM as the camera. You plug it and the camera is connected.